everybody. Welcome back to the MakeCode Arcade live stream. My name is Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forum.
On the forum.
Richard, I was actually doing something in my pause, okay? I'm productive with my pause.
I'm Joey at J1 on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Richard at Richard on the MakeCode forum.
Wow, you went really fast. Okay, and today we are going to finish the board game 100%. We're so close. Richard, are you mocking my hands? They're
no,
the only two. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so let me show you guys what we did in the interim between yesterday and today, because I did a little update, but not something huge. Okay, so as normal, we're going around picking up special items.
Special!
We have a hat, which is representing Richard. And then finally, I added the tree, and it talks. And if you bring it nothing, it's like, why did you bring me nothing? But then if you bring it something, it will decide if it's like the right thing or not. But I didn't actually do anything if it's right or wrong. So I guess we should code that first. But I feel like main priority is doing the fighting, but I don't know how the two people should fight. So Richard or Joey, you guys should brainstorm how characters will fight for items while I code up the tree.
So I think that we should do, so I think that we've played a lot of Mario Party. Is that correct, Joey?
Yes, a lot.
Have you ever played one of the Mario Party games with a dueling mechanic, where if you land on the same place, you have to play a duel minigame?
I have, but most of my Mario Party knowledge, since I played a lot of the newest one, has gone to that one, which I don't think has that.
Why have you played a lot of the newest one? Which is your favorite mini game?
I don't
I like the one where you shake the Joy-Con. You count how many acorns you got, or whatever.
I like the dancing mode, which is a ton of fun. But I don't really like the rest of the Mario Party game.
I like the dancing one too.
Yeah, I think the best Mario Party was probably in the GameCube era.
That is almost certainly correct, but
not the one with the weird microphone that went into the memory card slot. That one was not great.
What? That's awesome. That's so cool.
Forgot that existed.
What the heck?
I wonder if I have that microphone somewhere. I must.
Get up to a microbit.
Okay, but anyway, I think that my favorite of those mini games was always the one where basically you have both people and they have a balloon, okay? Mm-hmm. And you have to press A, and as you press A, the balloon gets bigger. And you want to make the balloon bigger as the countdown goes down, and whoever has the biggest balloon at the end wins. But if you go too big and it pops, you lose. So you have to gauge. It's like a risk-reward thing where you have to gauge, is it getting too big? Should I stop now? Or do I have the guts to keep going?
We had that was that 5-second games we had that as an entry?
Was it? Yeah, they did have a thing where you pumped up the balloon and made it pop, but it wasn't the competitive thing.
I like that one, and I also like the one where you're running around on snowballs trying to not get knocked off.
I don't know that one.
So anyway, I vote we do the balloon pumping game.
Okay, so how do we But okay, my issue with that is who's player 1, who's player 2? How do we do the controls?
Player 1 should be the person who initiated the contact.
Okay.
The person who last rolled the dice and landed on the other person.
Oh, maybe we'll just do A, B. Yeah, and then I'll put the icon over the player. Okay, sounds. That's Richard's proposal. Joey, did you have a proposal? Want to make sure everybody,
I like that one. I think that's a good competitive one.
Okay, well now it seems like a mini game Monopoly. This one mini game has a Monopoly. Okay.
Yeah. Are you gonna try to oppose my Monopoly? Because I'll just buy you out.
I guess we could do one there's been several versions of it. In the newest one, it's the worm that you're trying to give head pats or something while he's sleeping.
Oh, I hate that.
So it's take a guess how long you can pet them, and then you want it to end on somebody else.
I hate that one. That one's so stress.
That's true. And the way you could do that one is also like this is a play and pass game, right? So
yeah.
So what you could do is we could that one would be better for like a play and pass type game because then you know I don't know, it might be less exciting though. And you could always do if you're doing a play and pass type game, you could always do one person just takes the left button and one person takes the A button and you just hold on to it. One on either side and do it that way.
Yeah, I like that. But this will make this game very inaccessible if you don't have 4 players in your household. But that's okay. It's a game. It's something to look forward to play.
I mean, is this a game that you would really play one player?
No, you need 4 players in your household, right? Would you play a 1 player?
No.
Okay, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay, set special. What's going on?
It's a shame Shannon's not here though, or else we would be able to play the 4-player game at the end of this one.
Sad. Okay, what's going on here? Special sprite. This should be player talking to Gilgamesh. I don't know what went on here. Did that change by itself? I don't know. Well, gonna move on. Not worry about it. I don't want to go to Middle Earth. Why did you bring me nothing? Now he should teleport us back home.
Real quick, when he's saying why did you bring me nothing, can you make the screen shake?
Oh, that's a great idea. Which one is the scene? Thank you, Richard. I appreciate you representing the camera shake. Why did you bring me nothing? And also, this is not what I want. Oh, also, yeah. Oh, I see why I see why my code didn't work because I didn't put it in the right place. I need it for both. You need to get punished if you do not please the tree. Okay. That should be good. Wait. Oh, also I need to destroy things. Oh, I did destroy things. Man, looking out for myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Special. What's in the egg? If you guys didn't see, we posted the egg script on the forum post. So if
please take that egg game and customize it. I want people to start posting egg games on the forum and just have weird things popping out of that egg.
Yeah.
So
there's 3 versions now, right? I think it was Vivian and Unsigned Art.
No,
maybe
Game God.
No, Game God.
Yep. Okay, what do I need? Oh, this needs to be like for 2 seconds. That was not long enough. Okay. Now, mini game. Okay. So how do we do? Okay, we need to have a new game state that's like sprite is moving. Is that already a state? We need a sprite, and we'll do like an overlaps. It'll be like if it's moving and 2 players overlap, but then they will keep on triggering later. Maybe I'll just at the end of your move, you'll see it. We'll loop through everybody else and see if you're on the same tile, and if you are, start a battle. Okay.
Vivian, I have to object to your egg game.
What do you mean? What's wrong with my egg?
The lizard is roasting the smaller egg.
It's having a fried egg.
But clearly these are eggs that have like dinosaurs in them.
You don't know. The smaller egg is a different color, so it could be something different.
True.
It could just be a chicken.
That's true.
Mm-hmm. I was very thoughtful about this. Is star tile?
Game Gods is also very good.
Okay, do you think we should battle first and then do like the things on the board? Like if there's a player on a special star tile, should we do the battle first or should we do the star event first?
Battle event first or star event first? Star event first.
Star event first. Okay. Start. What's it called? Player battle mini. Oh wait, Joey, can I use emojis?
I mean, as long as you don't go to JavaScript, you can for now. And maybe eventually you'll be able to go back and forth if we like that.
Okay, cool. Emoji. Start player. Okay, so start event. And then I'm just going to call these all individually because I don't want to refactor. So let's do this one. Copy it a couple of times. And then... wait, no, we had to first see if there's another player on the thing. Okay, just kidding. So if okay, let's make another function. Is there another player here? I don't know what emoji. I could have put that to make it short. Okay, and then let's add another, what's it called? Okay. Me. No. Player. Okay, and then let's loop over all the board game people, board game characters. If first, let's make sure this is not me. So these can't be each other because otherwise it'll always be true. And then we gotta see if the tiles are the same because then we're on the same one. Okay, so that's gonna be in tile maps. Tile. It's gonna be in scene.
What are you looking for?
The tile that my sprite is on.
Oh, probably it's easiest just to compare the X, Y, but you can get it from the tile maps.
It's in there.
Yeah,
Right,
and there's a location of, but you can't do equals on it. You have to do the column and the row equals.
Okay, let's just compare the X, Y then. Because that should be fine.
Yep.
So if the X of this is equal, I'll keep this one. Gotta hoard my blocks. Who knows? There might be a block shortage later. Okay, so if that's equal and logic and, oh, I guess there was not a block shortage. Go away. Someday my block hoarding will be useful. And you guys will be, block poor and I'll be block rich. And I won't donate my blocks to you.
Ah, you're so kind.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe in addition to quarters, we should charge ourselves 1 penny per block.
What do you mean charge? Like anytime you use a block?
1 penny per block? So every time
Okay,
you use a block,
1/10
charge you
of
a penny?
1/10 of a penny per block.
All right, who's going to be counting these blocks, Joey?
Well, delete all blocks will count them.
Oh no.
I don't support this.
Okay, thank you. Like, what granularity are you going to counter block, Joey? Is this a block?
Whatever delete all block says. So yes, it is.
That's fair. Joey's solution is good, Richard. We should reward Joey for coming up with a good idea.
I don't think. Look, I'm all for getting the puppy. Okay, I'm on record. I love the puppy. I call out quarters all the time.
Mm-hmm,
but
mm-hmm.
We got to draw the line somewhere, and I think it's like amount of effort that we go into it. I don't want to be doing a bunch of math. I don't want to own portions of a penny.
Yeah, I don't have a saw fine enough to cut a penny into 10 pieces. Cannot do this. Where does that dust go? Might be unhealthy to breathe. Okay.
And it's illegal.
Oh yeah, and it's illegal. Okay, so
hey, Joey, what character do you play as in Mario Party?
Usually, let me see their names.
Oh, I can tell you which one I do.
Yeah, who?
I'm Bowser, so I have the weight and size advantage.
What? Oh,
scary.
just in the new one though, because Bowser's not usually a playable character.
Oh, really? Okay, in the new one. I've only played the new one, really.
Let's see.
Richard, where are you?
Dry Bones.
Oh.
I should have remembered Dry Bones. That's absurd.
Wait, you couldn't remember the name?
No.
Oh. Isn't there a Dry Bones song?
Maybe.
Probably. I mean, he's one of the best.
Dry Bones. Something.
Dry Bones are so annoying. And what was the first game that had Dry Bones? Like Super Mario World? Or was it Super Mario Bros. 3? Anyway, they used to be really annoying.
They're still annoying. They come back to life.
I representing Shannon, I plays the Ghost Boo.
What happens if you guys play together?
It's a good question. I don't know. I've never played Mario Party with Shannon, but I expect there would be some sort of competition, and one of us would emerge victorious with Boo.
Mm-hmm. Oh, maybe
It
you
is
should
whoever
play
gets
like
the
one of.
controller first and touches and grabs the boo.
Don't you think it should be a Mario Party competition where you guys have to play as a third character and then you can earn Boo?
I can't do it. I wouldn't be able to know where I was on the screen because I have so consistently played Boo since Boo became a playable character.
um, fight. Okay, so we're going to use the big characters. What are we doing again? I wasn't paying that much attention. For the mini battle.
Oh, yeah. So the idea is you both have to press A to inflate a balloon. There will be some kind of, I think, random limit on how high you can go before the balloon pops. It'll change a little bit every time.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a goal of,
Oh, maybe it's like random if it inflates, or should there be like a visual indicator?
There should be a visual indicator, and like 1A should be the same for both players, so it should be fair. But there won't be a number counting up that the player can see. So you kind of just have to remember where you're at and where you are in relation to the other one.
But should it be random each time too?
Yes, the limit should be random by a bit.
I see. Okay, cool. So player 1 battle character. Also, we got to pass in. Why didn't I do this? Okay, this is gonna be player 1. Oh, player 2. Oh man. I guess I should change this function instead of returning a boolean to be like the sprite that we're overlapping with. Will this work?
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
Wait. Oh, not the false. Just return empty array, get value at 0.
Okay. Can I make a function? Undefined? And then return this?
I really like this.
I feel like
I have been playing Boo in Mario Party since Mario Party 4, which was the first one where Boo was available.
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
And I did own that one for GameCube.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, everything is angry now. Oh my gosh, what did I do? It's all broken. Not defined.
Oh, interesting.
What's
I
wrong
guess you
with
can't
it?
make it a function.
Ugh,
You should just bite the bullet and make it
Fine.
undefined.
fine, but I'm angry about this. I don't like it. I'm not having a good time. Okay.
Yeah, it seems like our type inference doesn't like it. And I mean, to be fair, that isn't a well-typed expression.
Okay. So this should okay. I shouldn't have copied this before, but you know what? This is the life I've chosen to live, so I'm going to commit to it. And instead of making another variable, I'm just going to call my function again.
What are you trying to set to undefined? Like, what is the type?
Sprite.
It's returning the sprite you're overlapping with or nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. Just return some other sprite, because if all you're doing is checking comparisons against other players, never mind. That's not a good idea.
Okay, cool. Because that didn't make sense to me. Okay, cool. And then let's put this as current player. And then let's bring this up. I think there's one more. Do you guys want to make me balloons? To inflate?
Okay. Yeah.
Or no?
So I guess we need how many steps do you want there to be in the balloon animation? And then Joey and I will both do our own balloons.
Ooh. Maybe 5? Does 5 feel exciting?
Sure, you're gonna have to copy and paste all those.
Maybe 4? Maybe 3? 4. I can do 4.
Well, but we will both do 4, and then it should go up to 32 by 32. Does that sound good?
Yeah, I love 32 by 32. My favorite size.
All right.
And we don't need a popping one, do we? Because we can just like disintegrate or something when it's popped.
Oh. Yeah, then it's 5. Secretly 5. I love it.
All right.
It's a free block.
So don't tell me what your theme's going to be, Joey, but what color are you choosing?
1 second. Let me grab out the animation. Maybe green.
Okay.
Green is the main color.
Green, and then I'll do like purple, I guess, because that's the other one we have multiple shades of.
Sounds good. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the big player images, which I did on the first day. What a long time ago. Big picture. Big character.
Business office?
I'm going to pick one and we'll see. Okay. Player 1, battle character. Let's make another. Oh my gosh. No. Another one. It's going to be player 2, battle character. Because they're 2 players. New variable. It's 2 battle character. I feel like I've gotten to the point where there's so many variables I don't understand what any of them mean anymore. And then let's make a function. Get player number from sprite. And it's going to be a player because like the sprites don't have their numbers built into them, which is a B on me. Maybe I should have done that. But we're just going to loop over all of them, all of the players. Nope, I don't want this one. I want the other one where I have numbers for index. And then we're going to get array length of.
Question.
What's up?
Should there be a pump in the images we're making? Or is this just the balloon? Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense. Maybe I'll just have one pump image that I'll put in front of both of the balloons. I'll make that. Okay. And I remembered there was a block for this, which is find index of, and I'm going to return that. Easy peasy. Find index of player and players. What is the name of this variable? I don't remember. I don't remember. Current players, board game, characters. Haha, found it. Should do a speed run of finding variables. Okay, so we're gonna have get value of, and let's call this function so we can get the index. So we need the index of player 1. It's confusing because player 1 in this context isn't player 1. It's the left player. Maybe I should have called it left player, right player. It's too late now. Okay. Let's put these in here because hopefully they're images. If they're not images, then I will find the right array to get these from. Oh, and maybe... Oh, I think I need to edit my tile map so that people start at the same place, because otherwise it'll be so difficult to test. Was there a better way for me to be testing this?
I mean, you could always just make it so they start 2 spaces away or 5 spaces away and then do the same thing we did, where we just explicitly set it to 5.
Oh. I feel lucky today. I hope that works. Also, I think, okay, so we should just be seeing big characters at this point. Or we could be seeing an error. That is also something that we expected. Player 2. Okay, so these probably aren't images. Okay, yeah, so these are sprites. So maybe it's big picture. That makes sense. Gotta get rid of the one that we wanted to go on. Joey, I think your way is better. I forgot that this is place on random. I feel like this is a lesson I learn a lot. It's like I ignore what Joey says because I'm like, I don't understand. And then 2 minutes later, I realize why Joey said that. I'm like, oh yeah, that's a good idea.
It's true. Joey is wise.
Yeah, sorry, Joey. Where do I call go? If you in chat remember where it is before I can find it, you get a star. Roll die. Nope. Oh, it's on the overlap. It's on the overlaps. Nobody said it.
Being really protective over those stars, huh?
Sorry, I was checking. I have to earn my stars, you know? So I wanted it to be like a difficult thing for other people to earn. Okay. So how many do you need? 1, 2, 3. 3. Oh yeah, so Dobix is asking what we're doing tomorrow. And I think if we finish the board game, I would like to make our characters for the RPG. What do you guys
I'm not going to be here tomorrow.
Oh, Richard won't be here tomorrow.
Maybe we should just do more board game in that case.
Could do a one-off game idea generator game.
That's true.
Oh, that's a good point.
Hey, Dobix, what do you want us to do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or what do you want them to do?
You give us an idea.
As previously noted.
Mm-hmm. Also, we're going to make a cover image to cover over the back of the board game cover sprite. Oh, of course.
I put my balloons.
Oh, thank you. Do 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 do. Okay, I need a song that I can sing.
I think you should just freestyle off the dome.
But isn't that all about like the words?
Yeah.
But like those are the things I don't know. Whenever I listen to songs, I'm just like, I never know. This is how I sang a song for months about dolphins without realizing it was about dolphins. Set the Z.
I don't think I've ever heard a message sound more betrayed than when you told me about that.
Yeah, I gotta say, you that must have been a pretty rude awakening.
It was very sad, yeah. 101. And this is gonna be player 2 battle character 101. And then let's make a good okay, so based on your guys' balloons, what theme would you say it is?
Balloon themed.
Okay, so maybe it's in the sky.
I didn't think more beyond that.
And Joe
I
used green. Okay, and Richard used purple, so I'll just use blues. Yeah, it'll be sky themed, where balloons belong. I don't know if I stand by that statement.
What? Where do balloons belong if not the sky? Oh,
Well,
I guess
if
like
they're-
attached to your wrist.
Yeah, if balloons are in the sky,
But
that
even if
means
they're
what if a bird hits it? You know, that's
if a
rough.
balloon's attached to your wrist, it's still in the sky, just like not that high in the sky.
Are we always in the sky? Is that what you're saying, Joey?
As long as you jump, you're in the sky.
I don't know if I agree with that. But I don't know where I would tell you that the sky starts, so maybe I have to agree with that. Do, 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 do. This looks very sky. Ooh, I was thinking about this yesterday because I was worried nobody would come up with mini game ideas, and I was thinking about the quick draw, which is what Davik suggested in chat. But we've done quick draw on stream.
We not
before.
do that? We did that, right? Yeah.
We've done that on stream. I don't remember.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we had different dogs. We had to be like, oh, it's like petting, right? It's petting theme, like pet. It was hard.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then
Yeah, I don't know if anyone ever beat that.
yeah, it was very, very fast. Okay, let's bring in the images now. It is that time. Okay, let's
That was
make.
a good stream. I remember that one now. I like that game.
Yeah,
that
it was
we
a
made.
good time.
Yeah, what happens, guys? How have we fallen from such heights?
I don't even remember the name of that stream.
I'm finding it right now, so I'll post it in the chat.
Okay, thanks. Do 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 do.
Yeah, we still do some pretty good games. I mean, we just did Tony Albatross Pro Dolphin.
Okay, Tony Albatross was 20 streams ago though. Player.
It was such a good game, though. It's gonna be forever on my mind.
True.
I mean, I'll admit it's no stable table, but it's up there.
Yeah, this is the one where Daryl had his pottery dog.
Oh, true. A classic. Harry Potter.
And it's you're a robot distracting dogs with lasers. That's just like what you want to do all the time anyway.
Are dogs motivated by lasers?
Everybody's motivated by lasers. Lasers are cool.
Okay. Who's player 1? Who's player 2? I guess since Joey was first, he can be player 1 balloons. Okay, player 1.
Thwarted again.
This looks like a cactus, Joey. Or are you for me?
It'll grow up. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Just saying. Player 2. Or not player 2. Image 2. The balloon.
There's something in the middle of that balloon.
Oh yeah, what's the red? What's the red? What's going on here, Joe?
You gotta watch.
Okay. I don't have enough patience for
I
this
know what it is. I knew what it is.
It's a
Yeah.
star. Aw, it's a Christmas star. Maybe? It's a red star.
That's just how I draw a star.
Okay,
You know,
Richard's
the
balloon.
line.
Oh, I meant red. I was concerned about the red. Oh! Is it a skull balloon? Okay, player 2 balloon. Oh my gosh! This is amazing. Its face. Okay, last one. That's wrong, right?
Yeah, I think you copy and pasted the wrong thing there.
That would be a bold move to just go full broccoli.
Oh my gosh. I love this. This is some consolation for being player 2. Okay. So player 1 balloons. Okay, so now let's make sprites.
Have we done a card game before? Have we done a customizable card game? We did the one with the around the track with jumping jalopy and
Pink Carnation. I'm
Pink
so
Carnation.
fast.
Which one's my favorite one? Which one's? I don't remember the name. I feel terrible. It was my child.
Oh, Steve.
Steve.
No, was
No.
it Steve? I don't
Not
think it was
Steve?
Steve.
Something with Steve energy, though. Player 1 balloons. Not find an Excel. My bad. This should be get value at. They're the same shape. Can you blame me? Player 1 balloons. Get value at 0.
Guys, we're at 193 today. We need to start putting together our best of 100 to 200 post.
No, we're not on 193. No.
Yes, we are.
That's crazy.
That's a lot.
Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. This should be a different.
It was Todd. Wheelie Fast
Okay.
Game
Todd.
featuring Todd.
Todd. Yes.
Oh man! All right, while you're doing this, I'm gonna go through our live streams in the
Okay.
in the last 100 and pull out some favorites, and so we can
Okay.
reminisce a little bit.
Okay, sounds good. Also in chat, if you have some favorites you would like to see on our list for consideration, let us know.
So I guess we could do a wheelie fast game 2.0. Maybe we can even just load in the game, add customization to it.
Wait, that was the going around the track one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't like that one because I was very bad. Maybe I kept on choosing the wrong car, but
That's why you need to customize it so you can add the wheels that make it easier to turn at the right time. What are
Right.
the emojis you have here? 2 balloon? Oh,
it's player 1 balloon and right? I think it's great.
That makes sense. Yeah.
I love the emojis. Okay, what
All right,
am
are you
I?
guys ready for some nostalgia?
Yeah.
All right, first one, elevator game, a personal favorite of mine for your mug companion.
Oh, I hate that one. Sorry, the mug was very scary.
The mug was the best.
The mug was alarm. I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. I'm not gonna be negative about any of the games going forward.
All right, another classic, Gotcha Jobs.
Ah, love. 100% best game. You cannot change my mind.
No, yeah, no, it's pretty good. I mean, I got to draw a what was it? Like a crane detective, which I was pretty happy with.
Yes.
Okay. Soon after that, we had catch some fish.
Yeah, good. Yeah,
We had
one
some
had
good
a
fish.
great intro scene.
Oh,
Mhm.
yes. I forgot about the intro scene. We love to see it. This should be 40 for symmetry.
And then the immediately after that was Asphodel follows directions. So
Oh
this
my
was
gosh, back to back?
yeah, this was a good time for us.
Hot take. That was our golden era.
Okay, and then after that, this was just me and Shannon, was Koala Flies by Night. Which I don't know if you guys remember that one, but it had an awesome spin attack. And it was like a koala fighting people with bamboo.
Is this the one that was Mad Lib secretly?
No.
Okay, just kidding. Are you sure? What was the one where you guys had like random words that you had to make things for, you know? Like a verb, noun.
I do not remember.
Okay.
It was a while ago.
I also wasn't on that one.
All right, next one, and I will be very surprised if this one does not win our all-time best game.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have an idea of what it is?
Tony Albatross?
It's a table.
Stable table! Agree. Very good game.
That was number 123.
I lost my block. Come back, please. Okay, this one. This should be like...
All right, then we had, let's see, Fastest Dog in the West, Richard's Adventures in Music Land.
Ooh, a classic.
Ooh, Spinning Dishes. That was a good one with
Spinning
Daryl.
Dishes was very good. Also very fun to play.
And then another favorite of mine, Giraffe Fight.
Mm-hmm.
Which was a game where we had many different giraffes with hats fighting each other.
Very intuitive our games were. Okay. So
That was like for the week that we were obsessed with a video of giraffes fighting. Which if you have not seen, look it up. It's amazing. It's exactly like you would think it is, which is hilarious. They just swing their necks at each other. Yeah, they just swing their necks at each other. What else would they do?
What I would
with
hope
their
it is,
hooves.
not what I think it would
I'd
be.
imagine them standing on their back to the legs and boxing at each other.
Mm.
Yeah.
Wait, what happened? Okay, something weird happened. I thought for a second. Okay, sorry. Go back, Richard.
All right, then we had Farm Heist.
Ooh, I don't know about Farm Heist.
Really?
I think the graphics were good. I don't remember how to play the game at all. The stream was
and
good.
the next one we had, and this is another favorite of mine, was a casual conversation between an old man and a rain cloud.
Yeah. Okay.
Very, very good. Do you guys think do we have the production budget for making pumps? Probably not, right? Yeah. Sorry.
I mean, you just have to make 2 pumps, right? You just got to make a pump that's like up and a pump that's like down.
I have to position it and then put the Z index on it and then
All
flip
right,
it.
we'll just do it if we have time.
Okay, and I feel like no, because now I have to find I found the A button press event. I thought that would take longer.
All right. Next we had skateboarding tricks. Oh, I loved this one.
I don't remember. Oh, right, the perfect comedic effect.
Yes. A game where you always wipe out. Very realistic of actual skateboarding.
Uh-huh. Okay, so do you think one player should push left and one player should push A?
Yeah.
Okay. If game phase.
Oh man, this one's great.
What's up?
Just our skateboarding game is awesome.
Oh, okay. I thought you were like
I
this
like
next
how
one.
we started out trying to make a real game, and you can kind of tell, and then we just completely devolved into this dumb thing where you can do like 2 flips and then you die.
Okay, so I'm going to make a max for both players. That's going to be random from like 80 to 100 or something. Max pumps P. I'm just going to put a 1.
Are you doing it different per player?
Oh, is it not different per player?
I actually have no idea game-wise.
Okay, let's just make it the same then, which is great. Rename variable max pumps.
Maybe this was our best period.
No, Richard, you can't say that.
Okay, but next up we have Corgapillar,
What's that?
which was the corgi who was inching like an inchworm across the floor as food fell down.
I forgot about that. Okay, sure.
And then
I guess
afterwards,
this is the
we
period
had...
in which I was much more aggressive with pushing corgis into the stream versus the first 100 episodes.
You're right, Joey. That's really died down.
Okay, you say that, but look at what's going on the left side of the screen right here.
No, I mean this period of episodes 100 to 200 versus 0 to 100.
Oh, true. Yes. I would say
Okay.
so. You really were establishing your brand this time around. And then we had Tower of the Ice Cream Fellow, which you had a catapult and you launched ice cream scoops onto a cone, and we were fighting the entire time about mint chocolate chip ice cream.
Sorry, you guys. Stavix posted the sweetest message in chat, which is that their favorite streams are 1 through 193, and we're on 193. Aw,
Thank you,
thanks.
Davik.
Okay, and then sorry, I feel like this has been a Vivian codes in the background while we talk about things stream.
All right, I'm just gonna quickly go through the last like 3 or 4, okay?
Yeah, sounds
and then
good.
we can get back to coding. All right. So the next we have Aqua Kazam, which was the one where the background colors change and you like move through different things, and there was a water wizard for some reason.
There's always a need for.
Wait. None of the words
game.
you just said made any sense to me.
There was like a bunch of different bricks, and you changed the background color by walking through doors, and then you could walk through the walls that were the same color because they.
Oh, right. Wait, this was my game. Yeah. Of course.
All right. After that, we had Hamlet.
Oh my gosh, Hamlet. If that's not number 1, what are we doing?
It's definitely up there. It's up there with Stable Table for sure.
Stable Tables. Also, I think our best games are ones where we really understand both space and time. It has classic movie components.
Yep. And then really quick, we have Master of Simple Machines.
Also very good.
Another really good one. Then Tony Albatross. And we're pretty close to today now, I think.
Okay, I think the break for of not streaming for 2 weeks, just slowed us down. But once we get warmed up again, we'll be good. Back into the golden era.
Was Supermon 0 to 100 or 100 to 200?
Supermon was 0 to 100, I think.
Oh, okay.
Did that not make best of?
I think it did.
Okay, cool.
I just linked the post, so I should just read that instead. See.
Yeah, Supermon Part 7 was number 77.
Yeah.
I really did not give sensical names to any of these variables, but this should work. We just need to have some checks. Oh, we also need to start a countdown. Okay, so if pumps is greater than the number of max pumps, then it explodes. Also, let's make a new function. And balloon battle. And maybe it'll just check in here. Sorry, Rich, I didn't mean to interrupt the list with my variable problems. Were there more on this?
Oh no, we're pretty much at the end of the list.
Okay. Nice. Man, we've done some good work. I
think
say.
Our quality output has definitely gone up in these next 100 games from the last ones. we were still figuring stuff out, and now we've made some pretty quality games this time around.
You know what? I'm gonna say it. I think the next 100 are gonna be our golden era. We have so many good things coming down the pipeline. We have challenges. We have art challenges.
All downhill from there.
No,
Yeah.
We're
gonna know by the end of the year whether it's 300 or 400 because we will have done 500 streams.
Yeah.
Oh, true. That is a fact.
It's not a fact. Don't hold us to that.
I mean, we could split up each stream into 6 10-minute segments, and we can do it then.
You guys, I don't think I'm finishing this game today because now I realize we have to have the whole thing this player steals the other player's stuff. Oh, okay. Well, how much time do I have left? I have 13 minutes. Maybe I can finish it. Okay. Else, if player 2 is greater than player 1, else switch these two. What happens if they tie? Let's just do a 50-50.
Yeah, I think so.
Cool. Thank goodness. I didn't want to have to resolve this in a sensical way. Okay. Let's change the state. Do. Wow. Balloon end. Why are you... Oh, this should be game state. My bad. I was mad at it, but it was my fault. What is it called? Game phase. LMNOP. Game phase. Balloon end. And then let's make another function. Do resolve our battle differences. And it's going to be player 1. That's confusing. That's fine. And then let's just call this function. Do. This is going to be false. This is going to be true. This is going to be false. This is going to be true. And then it's random for these last two. Okay. I don't know. I didn't really... I feel like... Okay. When we talk and I code, I feel like I don't really think about the code I'm making. And I just go with my instinct. So this is some instinctual code you're seeing right here. And then something needs to happen back here. Oh, yeah. There needs to be some math going on here. So it needs to be like... Oh, I can... Okay, now this is something I need to think about. This is why I didn't do this earlier. Let's get a variable thing. Max pumps. Max pumps divided by 4. And then this needs to be a floor. Should this be integer divide? I don't really understand integer divide.
Integer divide just, cuts off the remainder.
I want integer divide. Where is that? Where is it hiding? Haha. Max pumps divided by 4. Okay, so if it's equal to this, there's no way that they'll skip over a number, right? Nobody can press that fast.
Yeah. Hey, do you guys remember if as core guy commands was good? I mean, I remember core guy, the door guy was great. But
I don't remember what that one's about.
Was that it was the one where it's a bunch of animals that were just walking around and you got to pet them all? Is that it?
Oh, right. This was this cutscene. But I don't really remember what was
Right. Okay, you're a tumbleweed, and your job is to play with all of the good pups who live on this plane.
But why?
Because Core Guy told you as the leader of the world.
Okay, but for games like these, I feel like we came out the gate with a strong thesis. I want to make a game where something, and then it kind of diffuses out as we all come up with ideas for it. But I cannot for this one. And usually we can tell what the core idea was, right? But this one I cannot remember what it was.
Yeah, I have absolutely no clue. All right, this one's not making. I'm right now. I'm making a spreadsheet so that we can do our voting.
Okay. Wait, is it us voting or the people's vote?
I think we'll do us voting, and maybe I will also do a poll on the forum.
Okay, sounds good.
But I'm worried that we won't get too many people responding.
Okay, it works. I'll copy this code over for player 2. Wow. I'm so impressed with myself.
I forgot the part where it just like drags you along with the dogs as they run around. And they just like get chained into other dogs.
It's not exactly the most compelling gameplay, I think.
I agree. This should be pumps too.
It's a storytelling experience, not so much a game.
But
True.
what was the core idea? What set this game apart, you know?
Playing with dogs.
I feel like we have that in a lot of our games though, Joey, to be honest. Okay,
God, stable table never gets old.
Stable table's great. Player 2 balloons. P2 balloon. Do 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 do. Okay, that should work. And okay, so I'll do like a disintegrate effect. Sprite destroy your balloon. P2 balloon with disintegrate. Yeah.
Maybe a spray too.
And I can do both?
Well, you can
Like a separate.
You can set any number of effects if you want to start effect.
I see. P2 balloon, P2 balloon, P2 balloon, P2 balloon. I don't know where it is. The issue is sometimes it's player and sometimes it's just P. Okay, here. And then destroy P1 balloon with disintegrate, and then this one. And this should be P1 balloon. Okay, now we should see balloons maybe popping. Once the crow is where it should be. Boom, beep, 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 beep. It's the left button, my bad. Is it not? It's not. Okay, what's broken? Or was I just not committing to this enough? Oh, okay, I just wasn't committing to it enough. And now the other one shouldn't burst because we're in a different game phase. And now, okay, let's do our function, which is resolve our battle differences.
It's a good name.
Thank you. And then if player 1 else. Okay. The issue is so when we start the battle, we also got to keep track of who player 1 and 2 are. Let's add 2 variables. Oh man. Player 1 in balloon battle, because the sprites that have the data on them aren't the ones that are playing. And then let's set this to be player 1. And we'll lose this information once we leave this function. So let's keep this information. Player 2 in balloon battle. Player 2 in balloon play. Player 2 in balloon battle. I think I should have used an emoji. I think that's... Do you think someday they'll have style guides, which is like how you should write good code, you know, clean code. And they should be like, these are the cases where you should be using emojis in your code.
I was gonna say they already have style guides.
Oh yeah.
Well, I mean,
you don't use them.
Has anybody ever written MakeCode block style guide? Really though?
No, that's a good point.
First, we need a nice MakeCode blocks linter.
I don't know what that means.
Then a prettifier.
So a linter is a thing that like takes in code, and then just enforces like style guides on it.
It's the thing that says, "Oh, you don't have a space between these operators, so you got to fix that before I'm gonna pass."
Yes, we absolutely have this in our code base. And it's the thing that tells you when your formatting's wrong.
Oh, the thing that doesn't tell me until I put it up on GitHub, and then it's like, Vivian, how dare you?
I
I'm like,
mean-
ah.
Vivian Goplet.
Oh. Yeah, you always tell
Joey,
me, and
do
I
you
was
ever do that though? Do you ever do that, Joey?
I don't usually run into that issue.
Richard,
Yeah.
Joey
Right.
is a professional, has not broken push to master almost ever.
I had to look at so many student assignments, like hundreds, that I'm like a stickler for it when I'm writing my own code, so that I don't like when I was writing in front of people, I would get yelled at because
I don't know if we have talked about this before on stream, but Joey used to be a TA for some classes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Joey,
the
do you miss
head
your TA
homework
days?
TA one.
Aw.
So I did like 300 assignment grading. I don't know, it's fine. It's kind of fun.
Okay, we're gonna make a bunch of acorns and put them on the player so that then they'll go over to the other player. Acorn.
Oh man,
What?
I'm like 10 games in now. I'm 12 games in, and I have not been writing down the titles of the games.
Oh, I thought you meant 10 games into stable table. I'm like, Richard, I don't see what the issue with that is.
Yeah,
Seems
you
like a
can play
good
Stable
time.
Table all day. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay, player.
That is like the one game that I've given to my family. No, Hamlet they also were very amused with.
Oh, really?
But then they wouldn't stop playing it because
Stable table's great. It's intuitive, it's fun, it's funny. You know, what's not to love about stable table?
it's true and it's educational, which is really what we're all about.
And realistic.
Yep. No animal facts though.
Well, that's fine because animals don't use tables, so it's realistic still.
That's true. Ooh, Arcade Advanced Stream number 153, which is not labeled, strangely enough.
Wait, who did 153?
This was a good one. I did it. I guess I just didn't label this one.
What was it? What was it? What was it?
It was Giuseppe's Day.
Giuseppe's Day. Who's Giuseppe again? We name everybody Giuseppe. This is the issue with Giuseppe.
We don't name everybody Giuseppe. We name everybody Bartholomew.
A lot of people are Giuseppe. Okay.
I forget, did I ever mention that Giuseppe was the name that my grandpa pushed pretty hard to try and get my parents to change my name to? When that was Joseph?
Joey is pretty close to Giuseppe anyway.
Yeah.
This was a game where you played as a mouse, and you walked around talking to folks in town to help them solve their problems. There was a crow named Morticia.
Oh,
There
right,
was
Morticia.
a pizza delivery guy, and then there was a frog, I think.
Oh, it's 2. Okay, well, let's, as per usual, let's see if the game works at the very end of stream. And then we'll do our sign-offs now. So thank you, everybody, for joining us on our 193rd stream. Soon you'll see a poll on the forum or something where we can all reminisce together. So I have been Vivian. My name is Vivian, and I am at Livestream on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Joey at J Wonderl on the MakeCode forum.
What's your name,
I'm
Joey?
Vivian, at Live Cheerful on the forum.
That's a lie.
And I'm Joey.
Oh, wait, that was backwards, right? Because this person lost. Okay, well, I'll fix that bug off stream. Don't you worry, okay? So thanks, everybody, for joining us. Tomorrow, I guess we'll keep on, I don't know, should we keep on doing board games tomorrow? Maybe I'll finish this off stream and then post, and then we can do something exciting tomorrow. Davix, post in the chat what you wanted us to do. So see you guys